2 ते 6 मी परत सांगतो, 2 ते 6 तुम्ही ते ना हे डोंट मेक इट
नाही. आरोग्यमंत्र्यांनी दावा केला आणि त्याची न्यायालयामार्फत चौकशी करावी अशी त्यांनी मागणी केली होती.
नाही, मी काय सांगतो ऐका ना, मी काय सांगतो ऐका. ऑन फॉर दी बेनिफिट ऑफ ऑल माय गोवन्स अँड यू प्लीज हेल्प मी. सी लेट अस गिव्ह करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन टू दी पब्लिक थ्रू युअर मीडिया.
आरोग्यमंत्र्यांनी उपस्थित केलाय, मीडियाने आणलेलं नाही. आरोग्यमंत्री स्वतः म्हणाले होते.
आता
आम्ही काहीच बोललेलं नाहीये.
बरं, मी तुम्हाला सायंटिफिक आन्सर देतो. कारण 2 ते 6 असं काही नाही. त्या दिवशी that day I showed my statistics of 24 hours there, and I have shown you that these deaths are spread over the whole day. Okay, now there are many hospitals like Chennai, Kerala, they are also coming out with deaths in more in the night, but somebody has to prove that point, why deaths occur in the night. Somebody has said these are not authenticated reports. Somebody says that they sleep deep, they said desaturation occurs because they sleep very deep in the night. That's why one doctor said, I keep them awake, wake them up every now and then. But I don't know how far is this. These are the authenticated reports. That day I showed you stats that the deaths are spread all over 24 hours. It is not only that. Now what is happening is there is a perception amongst the public also that is a dark cover of GMC. It is not true. We have to remove this perception from the general public and also remove that perception that everything that you need is available in GMC and we are there to help you.
आरोग्यमंत्र्यांचं आता समाधान झालंय का? या स्पष्टीकरणावर आरोग्यमंत्र्यांचं समाधान झालंय का? त्यांनी मुद्दा उपस्थित केला होता तो. आता आरोग्यमंत्र्यांचं तो दावा त्यांचा मागे घेतलाय का? सुरुवात त्यांनी केली होती. लोकांमधून आले नव्हते. 2 ते 6 या वेळात.
I would request you not to ask questions that are speculative in nature for the doctor to answer. He is a technical person.
Mandated by the health minister भी आपका जिम्मेदार आदमी है ना. हेल्थ मिनिस्टर का स्टेटमेंट था.
What Dr. Saab is telling me also to tell you, but I told that he should only tell you.
हेल्थ मिनिस्टर के गलत लग रहा है.
मेरी अब बात सुनिए. Media has been reporting that deaths between 2 to 6 are only due to lack of oxygen. मेरी बात सुनिए. Please let me complete. And this reporting has been continued even after LMO has been installed. Even all डॉक्टर साहब भी अब पर्सनली रात को भी देख रहे हैं, तब भी दिस स्टेटमेंट हैज़ अनफॉर्चुनेटली कम आउट. नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? डॉक्टर साहब टोल्ड मी एंड आई एम ही हैज़ ऑल्सो टोल्ड यू. व्हाट दिस डज इज people then think that probably GMC has some problems and we will go elsewhere. And finally, when their severity score is very high, they again end up in GMC, only for the doctors not to be able to give them the best. So you can do a thorough audit of all hospitals in Goa and even elsewhere, that whether deaths do not take place anywhere else during the night and it is only in GMC. That is what Dr. Bandekar told me, that why are we being portrayed in such light? And I told him it is for you to answer that, so that media does responsible reporting. If you can prove to us that only in GMC deaths take place during those hours, then we'll be very happy to again do some sort of audit and assessment. But that is not the correct picture. My request is such news items only scare the people to come in the first instance, which Dr. Bandekar has been requesting repeatedly. Please come to us early. The earlier you come, the more time our doctors have to give you the best of treatment and help you recover. That is the only underlying statement. That's it. What we had to answer, we've had. We can, this questioning and this sort of theories would never end. I would request you to please stick to facts as far as possible.
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरुवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरुवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.